The replacement bird that I purchased off of Time Savers doesn't fit over this lever for this Lux clock. So I tried everything. So I actually super glued the clock, the bird to the clock. And so it's ticking away. I still have to adjust it because when you put it in the stand, I put it like this, but it actually goes like this. So I still have to adjust it just a little bit so it stays ticking when it's perpendicular or level with the wall. I'm almost there. But I like these little Lux clocks. They are fairly simple to work on. You take these two screws out in the front, and then you can slide the movement out. Now with this bird on, unfortunately with me having to super glue it to the lever, I wouldn't be able to slide it out. And then you slide the hour hand out instead of taking it off the shaft. The more you take it off the shaft, you're going to wear it out. So and then you would take a zip tie or a piece of wire and go around the spring so it doesn't open up on you. And then you take these 4 nuts off, and then you can lift it off, clean it, put it back together, oil it, and they're fairly simple to work on. I really like them. And they're small enough that they can fit in between my other clocks. That's what I really like about them. Anyway, I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.